I'm using this Whirlpool washer in here. As you see, there's no fabric softener knob. But it sure has fabric softener and bleach dispenser. Add measure detergent. I'm not sure the measure, but I used line 3 in that cup for medium load. Add your load. Never overload the washer, and always load your items loosely. I always add the load freely. Select load size and water temperature. I select cold water for my load now, but it's really dependent on what kind of fabric that you want to wash. Select your cycle. I just choose normal. Start your washer. I pull the knob to start. Pour fabric softener into the dispenser. Even though you pour it after you start the washer, the dispenser starts empty when it's reached rinse cycle.